Where's that yow ass bitch?
Woiiiiii! Welcome back to Cook and Vibe, man. Yo, I feel like it's been so long, I don't even know what to do, blood. I don't even know what to do, people. Sorry about the break, yeah? We're sorry about the break, but we are back now. We're back in full effect. You see me? Yeah, man, thank you for, being loyal to the channel and all them thing there. Yeah, man, I'm telling you, but listen, we've upgraded. We've upgraded, yo. We got a new place. Trust me, YouTube gives a little payment. No, I'm joking. It's my brothers, sisters, brethrens, cousins, sister-in-laws, uncle's place. We just borrowed it for the day, you get me? Woiiiiii! It's Cook and Vibe today, man. Yeah, we got something special. People keep asking me, yo, you're not cooking that Ackee Saltfish? I say, yeah. Young green banana. Yeah, we're going in today, Moss. We're doing Ackee Saltfish. We got the yam. We got the green banana. We are gonna buy some dumpling. Yeah, all these things are going today. Ackee and saltfish, green banana, boiled dumpling, yam. It's a mad thing. You get me? Let's get busy. Yes, people. Yeah, but we're back again. Woiiiiii! You know what I'm saying? So today we're doing some Ackee and saltfish. You know what I'm saying? With the green banana, boiled dumpling, and yam. So ingredients real quick for the Ackee and saltfish. You're gonna need your Ackee. Alright, we got some saltfish in here. We're gonna run through these steps when we get to it. We got a green pepper, we got a yellow pepper, we got a large tomato, we got a scotch bonnet, we got 2 cloves of garlic, and we got an onion. We have some little dried thyme. That's for the Ackee and saltfish. You know what I'm saying? Alright? We're gonna get busy with the hard food, we call it. You know what I'm saying? We call this the hard food, the real thing to give the man them the zilly, you know the things that are ready. You get me? So yeah, now go and cut up the yam, you know what I'm saying? Put the yam on first because when we're doing this, the yam's gonna take, probably the most amount of time. So the yam, we're gonna boil with this for 20 minutes. So I'm gonna go and cut up my yam and yeah, it's me. Woiiiiii! Cook and Vibe! You must think a joke. Look how we things set up. Different. You see me? You think we playing a bad Cook and Vibe, man? Yo, I'm telling you, big up everybody that watched the new video on the channel, man. Foul. You get me? If you haven't seen it, please go check it out. You see me? So right now, we're gonna do some boiled dumplings. Somebody asked me the other day, how do I make dumplings? I said, Bridging, how you asked me that? It's the most simplest thing in the world. You see me? Flour, little salt, I feel professional, you know? I feel professional, Moss. I feel like Gordon Ramsay. But you forgot sit down right now, cause you don't know how to cook Ackee and saltfish, Bridging. Jamie, don't bother try rant with me in a Bridging. Don't bother try rant with me in a Jamie. I know you know your thing, but you don't know my thing. Understand? You don't know about green banana and yam and all these things. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, alright, flour, salt, water. Simple thing. Do you know what I mean? Just add the water. Don't add loads at a time. You want to just add the water until you can see it start building up. Do you know what I'm saying? Until you got a nice dough consistency. You don't want it too dry and you don't want it too sticky. You know what I mean? So just go on, use your brain. Look and learn, you know what I'm saying? We don't know measurements out there. You get me? You have to put some effort into it, you know, Moss. You have to put some.
See that, man.
You You get me? You have to put some effort into that still.
Little pounding thing.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, once we've got it like that, once you've got a good consistency, I'm just gonna take out.
You're gonna show them the consistency.
That's the consistency.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Not like a pizza dough, but a bit tougher than a pizza dough.
Yeah, I mean, I don't really know what pizza dough's like, but yeah, if you can see the consistency of that,
okay,
that's what you kind of want it like. So you just get a one piece without flinging it all over the place. People, you don't know. Listen, Ackee and Saltfish is actually Jamaica's national dish.
Okay.
Do you know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's Jamaica's national dish.
Hey.
You never knew that. But you got 5 seconds to press the like button.
Whoa.
4, 3, 2, 1. Woiiiiii! I don't know anything set, man. We're cooking and vibing. You see me? Yeah. So just want to roll it into a ball and then just flatten it. Put a little thumb in there. You know what I'm saying? See it there, people? Gosh. Into hot water. You know what I'm saying? We got the yams boiling, okay? The yam is gonna take about 20 minutes. The dumplings are gonna take about 20-25 minutes, same way. So that's why when you're doing this whole recipe, you wanna put these two things on first before you start cooking your ackee and saltfish and your green banana. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, cook and vibe. Yo, I'm happy to be back. You happy I'm back? If you're happy I'm back, then please just go and tell your nan's friend's granddad to subscribe, please.
Hook and vibe.
Woiiiiii! Aye. Can man get some appreciation and some likes for man's dumpling make? I didn't see that. You've never seen someone make dumpling like that before. Give me some likes, please, and I'll play with my life. Thank you very much. Action, when I say action, me mean action! Woiiiiii. Cooking vibe, man. Alright, people, here we are gone. So you see when you buy your saltfish, yeah? It's gonna be in a packet with a Woiiiiii salt on it. That's why they call it saltfish, funny enough. Anyway, basically what you wanna do is you wanna boil, what I do is I boil the saltfish for like 20 minutes, yeah? And then I strain it out and I boil it again for another 40 minutes. Once you've done that, you want to take it to the side so you got it like that, and then you just break it up into little tiny bits, as you can see in there. You know what I'm saying? Woiiiiii! Yeah, man, there's some really hard food today, people, let me tell you. Yeah, some strong maca, good dig yell and good waka. Green banana, yeah. So you can peel off the skin and boil them, right? Or you can do it in the skin. The best thing to do is just put a slit just down there so it's easier to take apart once it's boiled. You know what I'm saying? Otherwise you can burn up your hand. Now this part of the car, yeah, we're in a different place than people. But you know what? I have to bring my pot them in a must. Yeah, I have to bring my pot them in. I'm gonna leave my house. Dutchy pot. You get me? But we're using all the saucepans, so I've only got this little one left. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just chop this in half, Moss. Yeah, I'm gonna keep the skin on it, but I'm just gonna chop it in half, just because we won't be able to fit it in otherwise. But more time, I would just keep it in the skin. So boil it for 10 minutes. So people, yam, 20 minutes boil. Dumplings, 25 minutes. Green banana, 10 minutes. All right. Now with your saltfish, you know what, guys, so just put that to the side and we're ready to go. Woiiiiii. Yo, 5 seconds to press the like button. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yo, you have to be quick these days, you know, snooze you lose. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, governor? You know what I mean, governor? Yeah, man, what's your vibes, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, people. Trust me. But what time I mean, I can't get party me a party over there, yeah. Listen, this swag is dripping like water. Anything away, we're ready, yeah. Girl, fling it to the air, yeah. The bounce up on the floor, that you the care, yeah. Don't know where you're rough, and when we step down the place, every girl wants. I don't really drink, but I would take one, yeah. Miss, we'll leave a girl, you me rate them, yeah. One girl I'm just a pre-man hard. Miss a wine for the down and no mistake, yeah. Sit dirty on the stair, yes. Go ask me from a spliff, don't you dare, yeah. She tell me, say, something smell good, and me say, that it's just a Kelly in the air, yeah. Fling it up, when you rubber tune in enough years, I lift it up. Grab a magnum, let me roll a wine and lift it up. Girl, off, you give me ickies. Yeah. What time of night I really care, yeah. Party me about the every day, yeah. It's a bit swag, each give it like water. Anything away, yeah. Girl, fling it in the air, yeah. The bounce up on the floor, that you the care, yeah. Don't know we are bravo, when we stepping out the place, every girl want. Yeah,
Come by, man, come on, what, yeah. Come on, can we get a like for M Dot? Come on.
Get some likes. Boy. Well, alright. Why are you cooking vibing? Now it's time for the Ackee and Saltfish part. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's time for the Ackee and Saltfish part. So.
Yo, walk on.
Go on, the general. Walk on. This is smell food. It's smell food. Yo, people.
Yes, walk on.
Can we get some likes at LB General?
Yes, I'm there. You don't know, lump it. My brothers don't eat crumpets. It's your boy General, you know? If I come check on M Dot and find out what I want for the food.
That's it!
What you saying?
Yeah, but boy, we have some hard food.
Yeah?
We have some hard food I want. So we have some yam inside here.
Alright.
You know what I'm saying? We have some
proper still.
We have some dumpling inside there, some boiled dumplings, isn't it?
That look good, that look good.
Kitchen and trust me, my brother. Alright, with some green banana, you know what I mean, strong backer, you know what I'm saying, we have to keep up that energy.
For the cushion, you know?
Is it? Woiiiiii! Yeah, we've done the thing set. So people, we just go and cut up the vegetables now, is it me?
Trim them up nice still.
So people, there you go. Everything cut up nicely. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you had to bring my dog pot, you know, fam.
Going in still.
Yeah, yo.
Little Ackee there, saltfish in the cook. Oh, the saltfish done already?
The saltfish done already. You know what it is? I didn't want to think up the whole place. Yeah, the people, yo, I tell them. Because I borrowed this place to my bridgings, cousins, nephews, aunties, cousins, bridging. Yeah.
The whole family set up on that. Man went for the whole shebang, massive for the cousins, bridging, aunties, uncles. What's inside the fridge though?
Yeah. I just feel a magnum inside there,
I pulled out the bloody sour cherry, you know. How does that even taste? From when I ate, yeah, look, the pack, I'm not really in the fizzy tip. Let me grab this. Let me grab this one.
That guy, G.
You touch this, you mix this with something.
You can't be all you gotta find is magnum in here, brother. That's all we got in here, unfortunately. Yeah, but I saw the thing set, you know what I mean? I saw the thing set.
How's things then?
Good, you know, brother. Yeah, we're cooking vibing, man. Cooking vibing.
I see the show already, fam.
Alright, I appreciate that, man. I appreciate that. You know what I'm saying? Well, you don't know, I've been watching your show as well, the Hot Wings Challenge.
Fam, that there is a mad thing. I don't eat hot wings again after that, you know. What? You're ready? But don't tell me that, you know. You see what happened to the other man, them? Right, the man they ran out the shop, tear up, belly hurting, then shit up the place. Yeah.
Yo, me, I'll tell you, brother, I will try it. If
you can get past 3 wings, then I'll give you £100.
Yeah.
£100.
See that, people?
That's it, done. You get £100 for eating 3 wings. And you will never eat 3 wings. You will never eat it.
Well, you can't just boom.
You can try. Boom, then what? Sit there and dead. I said boom to him dead.
Yo, you know what? We're gonna have to bring him on in the foul challenge as well, you know. We've got a foul challenge in an Indian restaurant. Yeah, let's see if you're really good.
What's that one about?
Ooh,
what, hot food?
Foul. Don't go in the water if you can't. Trust me, yeah.
Hey.
It's a real thing.
Yeah.
It's a real thing. Yo, we're gonna do some. Yo, people, I got some special Scotch bonnets. My Bridget's going some chili. So I'm
watching you from.
Yeah, man's gonna do some Scotch bonnet challenges soon. Man's got some pink Scotch.
Do you know what it is? I don't eat the hot stuff, fam. I'm just a guy who just likes food, the tastes, the flavours. I'm a flavour man.
Alright.
See, when it comes to spicy food, don't rap with me. Okay. I don't like that. I throw it in the bin.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright then, so what we're gonna do right now, people, is we're gonna take a little bit of this Scotch bonnet out.
They're trying to kill me. You know, you're looking at man cutting
man's cutting up the
hot. Yeah, I'm gonna kill him first. No, I don't want a dead blood.
Alright, you know what we're gonna do, people? With a Scotch bonnet.
No, but you know what?
Alright.
Scotch bonnet. Do you say it's in my genes, blood? My mum's Jamaican.
No, it's
alright.
It's
just what they gave me, some ghost pepper. I don't even know if you heard of that.
Yeah, no, it's out of order.
Yeah? It's out of order.
Exactly.
It's definitely out of order. It's might as well call it death. You get me on death row. Because them type of things, they're killed off, man, blood. Dutch pot. Marvin Dutchy. So what oil is that?
Vegetable oil.
Okay, cool. No, do you know what it is? Certain man. Who's the man to ask that question?
What higher is that? Pressure. It's higher than that. You see when we're cooking ackee and saltfish, it's not oil, it's higher, yeah?
I say, what higher is that, yeah? Boom. Here I go on. The reason why I asked that is because certain man like certain oils, isn't it?
Sure.
That vegetable thing, I'm not fussy still, I don't mind it. But
Yeah.
certain man don't deal with the vegetable.
Yeah, we're on a budget still.
Yeah,
The
the
olive thing.
Yeah, olive,
Yeah.
coconut oil, all
Your
them
skin,
ones.
creaming it.
We ain't got that many subscribers
Get
because
me?
we're on a
Brand new,
budget.
innit? Olive. You see the olive people, them use the olive oil. And
Trust
that's what
me.
I talk about. But in my use vegetables, so I'm not, green banana and them thing there.
Yeah, people, so we've got some oil, it's hot. We're gonna put all the vegetables in that you see in the ingredients. You know what I'm saying? So, what we cooking today, fam?
You want to know what we have cooked today? They said ackee, salt and they said ackee, saltfish, and the yam and green banana with the onions. Oh, little bit of the dumpling. Oh, and that's we are cook.
Yeah!
A recipe book.
I know.
One in the kitchen because you and them now look. Hey, they said ackee, saltfish, and the yam, dumpling, and then the ackee with it. Hey.
Yeah! So you've done all the vegetables inside there. Everything else boil up and ready, you know what I'm saying? So what you want to do is you want to get your vegetables and you want to cook them until they're soft for like, you know what I'm saying, 5-10 minutes?
Oof.
You know what I'm saying? 5-10 minutes, and then we are forward back, isn't it? But yeah, so what about me general? Me say you have one neutral, me general. Where you say one neutral?
In the party.
You know the party? Yeah.
Beer weed, beer rum, in the party. Black gal, white gal, in the party. Big titty, big body, in the party. A summer like it, strong, in the party.
True.
20, 30, in the good vibe, good food, in the
Yeah.
bad gal, good gal, in the sorry, turn up, in the hey.
Ackee and saltfish in the party. And green banana in the party.
Bow,
Yeah, we have the yam in the party.
bow,
Yeah, we have some nothing in the party. Yeah. Everything, that's what they say. Everything good, alright. You know what I'm saying? Yo! I'm gonna tell the people, you see this food here?
I'm
like
hungry,
I say,
man.
So,
that's how they make you hungry, fam.
Joe, what you saying? You feel like you're back home in Jamaica?
Yeah, well, go ahead. You know what? Last time I went to Jamaica, I was about 6, fam.
Yeah.
Yes,
Parents then from Jamaica?
My mum is still.
Yeah, do you know which part?
Well, she's gonna have a go at me if I get this one wrong.
Come on, man.
I think it's St. Peter's or something like that.
St. Mary's?
Right, that's the place.
Ah,
It's either
right.
Peter or Mary. You know one of the
Okay.
two of them, innit?
That's a bit
Or
on
Mary,
Mary.
innit? It has to be one of the two.
Yeah,
so.
okay, yeah, man. Countryside.
Yeah, that way.
Countryside, yeah, man.
My mum loves the sea and the waters and them thing there and the countryside.
Love
and
that.
Land and them thing there. You know what I
So
mean?
when you going back?
I was planning on going at the end of the year, you know, in December.
Yeah. Yeah?
Yeah, that season, Christmas time.
Okay, a good season to go, you know.
Yeah,
Beer
yeah.
party.
That's what I'm saying.
Beer party,
She
you
said
know
that tune's out. I want to try and get
Come
on
on,
the
you know the yeah, I forgot you know the party, Weddy Wednesday, all them thing there, you know what I'm saying?
I heard there's like a go-go club over there. What's that about?
What if things are going over there?
What's the go-go about?
Yeah, go clubs everywhere in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is that though? I
You
heard
go
it's
down
like
wonderful,
midgets.
you go down here.
Someone told me that there's a midget in the Premier, and I said, no, don't lie to me. What is it?
I hope you don't appreciate how much I know the culture. Right? I do hope you appreciate this. You see me blinging white skin. Go-go is just another name for a stripper midget.
Oh.
Yeah, go-go is
So
just
they
a
got midgets
stripper.
in
There's no midgets, family.
Oh.
No, no midgets.
Mother
I
child,
don't know
Where's
where
the go-go club about the
he
midgets?
was mocking. He was
That's how it set me up.
That's a midget, you
Wow.
know. Wow. The one of the Johnny, I can't imagine how So basically, LB, what we're doing right now is we want to get the vegetables nice and soft.
Right.
Once we've got the vegetables nice and soft, obviously we've already boiled out the saltfish. So then we're going to add the saltfish into there and then cook the saltfish for another 5-6 minutes. It's not a long thing, do you know what I'm saying? It's not a long thing. Then after that, we're going to add the ackee.
Of course.
And then that's just a couple minutes after that. Right. Yeah, we don't want to mash up the thing.
So where the time and them thing?
The time, do you know what?
When you gonna
do you know what the time? I forgot. Do you know what the time is? Oh, I caught him. I can't believe I didn't catch him. I caught boss. Do you know what? But you know what? I forgot about the time. Right. Same for that, Reggie. Yeah, a little bit of that in there. A little.
You do? Alright.
Yeah. Yeah, but we don't do measurements, you see. No. Yeah, this is cook and vibe. So you see on cook and vibe we don't have no measurement, we don't no pressure. No. Isn't that just our vibes?
Alright.
Yeah, so you see when Jamie Oliver come tell me about something, I said I sit down bumbuckler.
Yeah, of course.
How about that chat to you?
After them trying to make the rice. Yo, not upset me.
No, but try come chat to me. You know what? Do you know what? I don't. Do you know what happened from that jerk right business?
Right.
People try. You know, say you see, I'm a white man and I do dance.
They try to disrespect the team.
I started getting the comments.
Like him cook the jerk rice.
This. No. Do you know what they said? This is the human version
of the jerk rice. Wow. They try to piece you off into the thing. Disrespect, you should have wrote something. You should have got your own file.
They're fucking me.
A chat bomb buckler, nothing about jerk rice, a meat jerk rice.
I am the human version of jerk.
Wow.
You're tech man's heed, you're breaking. Listen, I've slept in cars in the ghetto in Jamaica. Yeah, pull out 6 o'clock in the morning, come out the car to brush my teeth with a bottle of water, and the man they were thinking, what is pussy club down there? Oh, you white, you there. Really king. I've lived out, with people. I lived out of a suitcase for 3 weeks in Jamaica.
For real?
Yeah, I didn't stay in a hotel once.
Bro.
Yeah.
Just stay on road.
Do you know what it was? I wanted to just live rough and feel it.
Without nothing to see the
wanted to feel it, blood.
But why though? Why put yourself through it?
Just to appreciate life.
Oh, okay, I understand.
Do you know what I'm saying? Because we take a lot of things for granted,
innit? Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
We've all been there, you know.
Yeah.
All been there.
Yeah.
I remember when my parents sent me away to Montserrat, blood, when I was about 13.
Yeah.
What? And I was a bad youth in school, you know.
Yeah.
Listen, fam, I went over there and I was a changed man when I came back.
Yeah, let me tell you.
You understand? Over there, that lifestyle, you don't get TV and games and all that.
No.
My football was my life.
Yeah.
The football.
I
never cared about nothing else. That was fun to me.
Some little
one little
picnic.
One thing.
Sometimes the most exciting time of week for them is when the ice cream comes out. You're rasta and I ride up the hill with one back with ice cream. That's their favourite time of the week. Yeah, man.
And that's it. And their life good after that. They don't worry about no TV or no them things.
Good.
Can't wait to eat this, you know.
So you see how I rock up the saltfish, small people.
Nice and soft.
Yeah.
You say drain them.
Yeah, we boil it twice.
Yes, twice.
Get that salt out of it. Cause we don't.
Quick 20 and about 30 minutes after.
And then boil it for, I say 20-25 minutes.
Yeah.
And then, you get me?
And then drain it twice.
Drain it and then do it again.
Yeah, you know what you're doing still.
We're not even going to use all that saltfish.
Yeah.
We're not even going to use all that. We don't want to overpower the vegetable. Does that mean?
Mm-hmm.
I love Jamaicans, you know. I love how they pronounce that as well. Vegetable. Pass the vegetable.
Alright. And people looking like you're mad.
Yeah, trust me.
Pass the vegetable, man. Want to.
The higher, the vegetable.
You know what? All words are just cut up, lad. It's mad.
Yeah.
But then I see one program on the YouTube, right? They were reading out the letters the same as us.
Yeah.
And they pronounce it wrong.
Yeah.
Do you get me? So I thought, nah, man, that's some joke thing. They can't say nothing about Jamaicans.
So we're gonna cook that for another couple minutes. You know what I mean? So because it's cooked already. So we're just warming it back up, and then we're gonna add the ackee.
Alright. This is the bit where everyone gets wrong.
Yeah. This is the bit.
See if you dash him in there like so, and you know give him the right settings, it will get mushy.
See how you have to do with ackee?
Yeah.
You have to do it like a woman.
Yeah. You have to.
Gentle.
Alright.
Gentle.
You have to caress it.
Nice and easy.
Yeah.
Oh,
no rush nothing.
Yeah. Real thing, man. You know, so, you see with Ackee, yeah, I'll tell you a funny story. I wanted to bring some fresh Ackee back from Jamaica one time. Yeah, and you're not allowed to bring it because of the seed. I'm pretty sure, because I might be wrong, people, but I'm pretty sure because of the seed, you're not allowed to carry that across the border.
Okay.
Do you know what I mean? Because it's like,
You can park off something.
well, yeah, if you try and start growing Ackee tree, I suppose. You know what I'm saying? But I got paranoid, and I come outside the airport, and I must have put it in the bin. Yeah, but as I put it in the bin, I see one brother. He said, I put it inside the bin. I said, yo, one big bag I can put inside there. You know? He said, yeah, boom, lift out that. Next thing you know, I'm talking to him. He said, yeah, I'm saying I've just come from my bedrooms up there. He said, yeah, that's where I'm from. So I'm talking to the brother. He's just being nice and that. He said, I'll take my number. I was just being nice. He looked very dodgy. Imagine if you're seeing some from outside it's big glass. Normally in Montego Bay, so you can see outside everything. So they can see me. Put something in the bin. My brother's just come over, picked out outside the bin. As soon as I walked in, they said, "Boom, come over here, please, mate." Come over here. Check my
They thought you
my
was
luggage.
terrorist.
Yeah, No, they thought I was carrying. They thought I was carrying.
My dad's about to light up the place.
Listen, they thought I was carrying. Check my bag, yo, brother. Check my bag, people. Yeah, check. Went through everything. They was cutting open like packets of stuff, and yeah.
Wow.
When they done it, they searched my bag. They didn't find nothing. They was like, go on, go over there. But they kept my passport. I said, no.
Yeah,
why are you keeping my passport?
See you again.
Fine. When I come back, say you're coming with us. I said, what? They say you know, say you carry something in your belly. Everyone say you carry something in your belly, and I'm like, you better give it up, no.
Bring it to the back.
You know when you don't act bad no more. You know when you don't act bad no more. No, I didn't. I swear I didn't. It was about half an hour before the flight was leaving. They say if you don't piss, yeah, before you're not going on the flight.
Nowhere.
You're going to the police station.
The toilet.
Yeah,
you fell off like that. Hurry up. This up. Yes. My ass is something.
And you know the worst thing? They didn't shut the door.
Yeah,
they didn't shut the door. They was watching me. Yeah, that's a raging. But that's putting me off. I'm standing there in Jamaica, in a room with my pants down my ankle. Can't find it easier to
No man don't rank, you know.
I'm in a room with some widow, one yard man watching me while I'm tickling my back with my pants down, trying to piss. Right. Drinking water like that. So the moral of the story is don't try to bring Ackee back from Jamaica. Just leave it there. Just buy it in a can.
Bro, why is the Jamaican police so bad, blood? Why is police over
but you know
in
the
different
worst
countries so bad?
Do
Do you know what I've realised?
not easy, bro.
Over here, I'm not saying that you lot now feds have to start moving mad, you know. But I've noticed over here, boy them ain't like the other boy them out there, fam. Yeah? Them man out there will mash you up, kick you up, bust you up, everything. Drag out man's fit. Listen, over here you're on some... alright mate, alright, it's too much talking. There's stuff going on. It's active before you even start chatting to me. It's all gone active. I've seen feds, blood. I see something on the internet the other day. Fed man got mashed up. Yeah. All over the net. I said,
yeah.
Fed man was out, like mashed up, man beating up Fed.
Yeah.
That won't happen in America.
Nah.
That won't happen in no other country. They Fed there on the shoot man, long time.
Long time. Yeah. Alright people, so we're ready for the Ackee. You know what I'm saying? We're ready for the Ackee there. There is plenty of saltfish in there. You know what it is? Them little pepper, man. I tried to get some bigger peppers, but they only had little peppers.
No, that's good enough.
That's like sometimes in a general.
That spicy.
You know what I mean? So right, add the Ackee now. Okay?
Right.
Now hear what, people? Don't mash up the thing.
Alright.
Okay, don't mash
Tell
up
him
the
again,
thing.
man.
Don't mash up.
Don't mash up the thing.
Don't mash up the thing.
Yeah?
Because you have to deal with this like yeah now. Yeah?
If it be easy.
Nicely. You have to do
see when the thing too mash up and they look great.
Anyhow, you just
Yeah.
that I got rock up real easy.
Bring him in, man. Bring him in. That's it.
Oh yeah, cuckoo vibing, man. LV, big up for joining us today.
Yeah, man.
We
Come on, all
appreciate
day,
it, man.
every day, man.
And we
Especially when
definitely
man's cooking
support-
good food.
Come on, and we definitely support your thing, you know, bro.
Oh, that's love, man.
People, you don't know the
Come
thing,
on,
so
man.
check the.
Yeah, put the subscribe. Yeah, go to my channel, subscribe to that as well. LV General, you done know. Bow.
I know.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're not even gonna mess about with it too much.
No, fam. And just let him simmer and chill off, man. Let him do its thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the yam look good. It look like him ready for come out.
Everything ready? Yeah, man. That ready. So let me just open up the dumpling there and see what I got with the dumpling there.
Yeah.
Kyle and thick like dumpling. Big up Stylo G, you know.
Ma.
Yeah, big up Stylo G.
Ma.
Yo, Stylo.
We
need to get you on here for some fried dumpling episode and some maybe some stew chicken or something. Stylo. I don't know, G. Yeah, but the dumpling them looking good. Them ready, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, them ready. Them ready. The yam ready. Green banana ready.
Ready.
Everything ready. See me? Why are I?
You can't complain, you know. So who teach you how to cook then, or is it just always you like wanting to cook?
No, do you know what it was? Yeah, is my family married into a Caribbean family when I was younger. So my mum never cooked egg chips and beans.
Okay.
Pure white people food. Yeah, it was out of order. No, big up Mumsy, man. I love you.
She done fed him, brought him up. Well,
sorry.
He had clothes on his back.
Sorry, Mum.
He goes, bread and butter with beans.
But it was hard. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, when I got older and I moved into my first place, like the only really person I had to ask was my brother-in-law.
Right.
And he was a Rasta man from the Caribbean, so he taught me how to cook. So that was my first kind of like. So I like Caribbean food with the flavours. I think I was so bored of English food.
Yes.
I said, just Caribbean food. Yeah, flavours. So you know what? I just went for the Caribbean.
What about other people's food? Like Indian?
Yeah, man. I love all types of food. I like Turkish food. I like Indian food, but I know Caribbean food. I know it. So it's like I just deal with this. It's like it's what I know. Yeah. I can go into the supermarket.
It's with you, innit?
And just grab.
You know where you're going.
Yeah.
And to do it yourself in the dark. The Ackee.
If I want to cook Turkish food, I might have to read two ingredients and yeah. But I will be honest with you.
You know what you prefer, innit?
I will be honest with you. There's a lot of saltfish in it.
Yeah, don't worry. I like it with the saltfish like that.
There's a lot of saltfish in there.
The Ackee will do its thing with it as well. It's calm, fam.
Yeah, man.
See what I would have put in there though? Just a drip.
Gone.
Of hot pepper, if you have him. Just a little.
Well, that's why you have Scotch bonnet.
Yeah, I know. See, that was the next thing where I said that thing there.
Yeah, that's why you have the Scotch bonnet.
Got off my face.
Yeah.
Alright.
No, it's alright with cocoa. It's blended with so much.
It should be alright.
It's when it's raw. If you have just like one little.
I get a one on himself.
Yeah. Well, you won't get that with that. You won't get that with that. You see how the Dutchy pot?
Hot blood.
Yeah, that's like to bring my pot in a bridging. Yeah.
They're needed still. If you're doing the Jamaican food thing, make sure you cop yourself a Dutch pot.
100%.
That's what they're called, Dutch pots.
100%.
Yeah? Jamaican thing, but get it because they are. They're proper still, they're the proper things.
Yeah. 5 seconds to press the like button! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, people, man.
I counted it up, he went down. I watched you, I was like, right, I'm going up.
Yeah. It's a couple minutes, people, and we're ready to go. We're ready to go. So I think I'm going to start plating up to set up the table. Why? Yeah, people, man. You know, thank you for supporting the channel, man. Don't forget to subscribe, like, you know, press that notification button. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. And that's the reason why I put the slits in the green banana moss, right? Because it's going to be very hot. So when you put the slit in it, it's much easier to open and you can just put them on the plate like that. You know what I'm saying? Yes, my family.
Right now is Judgment Day for my GM Doc. You know, pick him up still. I like this little food program is on. You get me? Cook and buy.
Why are
They not cook and they can't buy. They love. Come on, a judgment time this. See? Yo, M-Dot.
Yeah.
So everything ready now?
Everything ready.
Ready, get ready.
We have LV's plate ready.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Green banana, yam,
cook and bag, you get me?
boiled dumpling, Ackee and saltfish.
Hopefully the food tastes as nice as
See me?
the settings and the way the food looks, you get me? It might look good, but it might not taste good. So we have to find out.
My G.
I saw the thing set, and I have no spice. I want dripping.
You want sauce? You want sauce?
I want sauce. I want sauce.
No sauce, you know?
No sauce?
No sauce.
I'm not saying nothing, man.
You don't need it. You
I don't need it. It has flavour already.
You see when you taste the ackee.
Alright, cool.
You have to just eat the pizza. Eat everything with the pizza.
Me have cool now. Me know me do that. Me eat long time.
Where's the funny dumpling?
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm trying to dumpling with the ackee and that first. See, I'll take a... Yeah, and I see it.
They're quiet, I feel bad pressure. I feel bad pressure. I'm just looking at me like, I'm not sure if it's good or not. Like, I'm not sure, but there's a bit pressure, people. You saying?
Right, still.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah?
But it was perfect.
Yeah.
Never overdone it.
Right.
That little spice there.
Yeah.
With the kicking.
Yeah. Yeah.
The kicking.
Yeah.
Kicking. Alright, let me see the yam.
Yeah.
Let me see how I want this one. Bring it in.
Good food that's in the bed.
But it look good still.
Yeah,
Spice,
that one.
spice.
Good feel. Yeah.
Yeah, you know how to cook these things anyway.
Come on.
I can tell. Just from how I tasted that one. You get me?
But you said the yam not too hard.
No, fam, it's nice.
Yeah, wicked.
Yeah.
Wicked.
Everything seemed like it kept. Let me check this still.
Check the green banana.
Check the green one. Sometimes man them do it in a certain way where it's too hard.
Right.
Sometimes it's too soft.
Right.
So more on
See if we get it right. See if we get a cook on vibe. You know what I'm saying? See if cook on vibe with the right thing. Coming under the wrong thing. You know what I'm saying?
Oi.
Coming under the wrong thing.
Let's see. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
See them people?
Yeah.
There you have it.
No lie, I'm even gonna tell you no lie. That's better than certain people I know.
Yeah.
Can cook the thing, so allow it. We got my man once again, yeah. You know what you're doing.
Appreciate it.
Yeah. Don't ever disrespect the thing. Them and they're not to cooking it.
Don't disrespect the thing, JB. You know you're about back there.
Don't disrespect the thing.
You understand?
Don't disrespect the thing.
Just cause we don't use measurements.
Yeah.
Nobody don't play with me. I'm telling you, Gordon Ramsay, I dare you tell me to fuck off.
No.
I dare you tell me to fuck off, blood.
Don't disrespect the
I'll
thing.
be like,
Don't disrespect the thing.
and I mean, I talk to him, a bad man. Come in, know if he cook. You see, you know me? I feel better with that little booster. You see me, like, yo, I know how to cook and all that, I'm all brazen and that. He's big me up, I'm like, yeah, what?
I'm done his thing.
What?
I'm done his
I
thing.
appreciate that, my G, man.
Come on.
And thank you for coming on the show.
Thanks for having me, bro.
Oh, man, it's been a
Hopefully,
pleasure. It's been a pleasure.
next people, oh yeah, style makes you reach, yeah?
Yeah! Cause we want to do the fried dumpling. Yeah.
Yeah, cause that one there, man.
Kyle and thick like dumpling.
Boom!
Oh!
Yeah, actually.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Too mad. Well, there you have it, people, man. Don't forget to subscribe, like,
So you
comment.
subscribe, like, comment, all of that, share, and put on the bell notification as well.
Ding, 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 ding. Zemi.
Yeah.
You know the catchphrase, man.
Mad still.
Woiiiiii. Woiiiiii is gonna play.
Woiiiiii!
Easy. Zemi. Big up Moss Media. The Boss Media. And the Flop Media.
Alright.
Isn't it? Yeah, that's how we do the thing. Woiiiiii people, have a blessed week, man. We are back in full effect every single week. We are there. Bare more collaborations. Isn't it? Woiiiiii.